name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. Thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me on today. And for those of you who this is your first time visiting with us, I thank you so much. For those of you who are returning, thank you for choosing to come back by and check us out again. Now, if you are not subscribed, not a part of the Seasoned Beauties family, by all means, take a moment and go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. We would truly love to have you as a part of our family. Well, the reason for our video on today is the unboxing of the September Target Beauty Box. Okay, and for those of you, I'm just going to share this with you as I open up this box. So I do apologize for the noise, but for those of you who are not familiar with the Target Beauty Box, this is a monthly box that's not just about makeup. It's about skincare and, you know, different things that are in the beauty arena, okay? Be it skincare or makeup or brushes or, you know, things like that, okay? And it is $7 per month, and you order it online at Target.com, okay? And you will get quite a few sample size products in here, okay? Now, you have to be very diligent when you go after this box because it is not a subscription service. So you do have to go in and purchase it on a month-to-month basis, and it is first come, first serve. So let's go ahead and dig right into this box, okay? So, of course, just as with all others, it does come with a little description on a description card. And this month, the name of our beauty box is the Beauty Reboot. Okay? That's it right there. Okay, and with the Beauty Reboot, it says, "Summer, we'll miss you. But it's time to reboot our beauty routine so we're primed just in time for autumn." Hence the colors on, you know, on the description card. Okay, inside this box you'll find a few of our faves that'll give your regimen full fall perfect polish. Try them out. And if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at Target.com/beautybox. Okay, like what you've tried, we want to see what you got. All right, so on the back it gives you a list of everything that was in the box. However, that's a plus right there. This says $3 off any beauty product of $15 or more, be it cosmetic, skincare, or hair care, okay? And that is what's on the brochure for this month. We have beautiful orange tissue paper, okay? They're getting ready for fall, y'all, okay? So this is what our box is looking like. So we're going to go ahead and dig right in and see exactly what's in this box, okay? So the first thing is Weleda Wild Rose Body Wash. Okay, let's see what that's about. Alright. Okay, that's this one right here. Okay. And this is seriously sealed, y'all. But for you, we're going to open it up so we can see or actually smell what it's like. It says, it's got a gripper on it. It says help prevent liquid leaks. Okay. So, let's go ahead and tear into this. It's just okay. It smells okay. It probably will smell better once it's water activated. The scent of fine Damascus roses pampers the senses. Okay, that's what that packaging looks like. Okay, and as I stated, it is a 1.7 fluid ounce size. Okay. Okay, the next product that we have is the Olay Facials Cleansing Infusion Crushed Ginger and Citrus. This is the facial cleansing infusion. It says hydrating glow. How about that? And that's this product right here. Okay, and this is a sample size, 1 fluid ounce. And the tip that it gives us is, after rinsing off, splash face with cold water to shrink pores, which I did know about, and improve blood circulation. Didn't know about that part, but I did know that that helps to shrink your pores back down. Okay, the next product that we have is the Garnier Skin Active. Can you see that? Okay, right there. All right, it says the Garnier Skin Active Facial Mist Spray with Rose Water. Okay. And this one, it says multi-use facial mist hydrates, primes before makeup, sets makeup, and refreshes. Instantly hydrate and refresh anytime and anywhere. The directions say mist 12 to 15 inches from face with eyes and mouth shut. It's crazy that they actually have to say that, but okay. Whenever skin needs a boost of refreshment. Okay? And this product is 99% naturally derived ingredients. Okay? That is sample number 3. Then we have sample number 4, which is by the company Nivea. Okay, if you remember last month we got the foaming body wash, so this will go right along with it. It says smooth daily moisture body lotion, shea butter, and exclusive Hydra IQ technology provides triple action moisturization that lasts more than 24 hours, leaving skin touchably soft and smooth. Look, I'm all about the lotion, honey. All about that. It's a nice size too. Yeah, this is 2.5 fluid ounces. So I believe TSA is 3 ounces. So you might be, oh, that smells nice. Okay, you might be able to take this with you when you fly. Okay, the next item is Schmidt's Naturals. Okay, my husband and I were just talking about trying these out. Charcoal and magnesium mineral enriched natural deodorant. Okay, that's what this one is. And it says free of aluminum, propylene, glycol, parabens, and artificial fragrances. Certified vegan and cruelty free. It doesn't smell bad at all. But you know what? It is gray. Can you see that? It is gray. I ain't mad. Okay. Oh, bad English. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, then the next one we have is yet another dry shampoo. It says this one is extra strength by the company OGX. And it's Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. Okay, here we go. That's this product. Can you see a little bit better on that side? Probably not, because the light is quite bright. And it says refresh and restore. Dry shampoo. Indulge in this island scent infused with coconut oil, essence of tiare, and vanilla bean extract to help and absorb oil, restore, and revive hair for silky, soft island girl hair. Okay. I'm not sure what island girl hair is, but we're just going to say okay. Alrighty, and the last product, I believe that's the last one, yes. L'Oreal Voluminous Primer and Base. It's a small sample size. Okay. Can you see that at all? Okay, I didn't know about that when I wore this white shirt. Okay, it says, apply mascara while lashes are still damp from the primer for an extra bit of lift and fullness. Okay. Alrighty. Well, that is everything that is in our box for this month. The Target Beauty Box. Don't forget to use your $3 off coupon. Alright. So this is actually a pretty nice box here. Uh-oh, did I miss something? Oh, that's an information card below. So we have these wonderful products, the Nivea Daily Moisture, the dry shampoo, the primer, the cleansing infusion from Olay, the Garnier Skin Active Facial Mist with rose water, and the body wash, as well as the natural deodorant. So these are our Target Beauty Box items for the month of September. Oh, okay, we didn't see that. These are our products for the month of September. Okay, so if you would like to try this out for yourself, there'll be a link for this box in the description box below. Okay, now once again, thank you so much for spending time with me on today to review and unbox the Target Beauty Box. Okay, now on your way out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But more than anything, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.